Շատ ու քիչ սիրելս որն է Ինձ այնքան սիրեր որ դոն է Հասկանան մարդիկ թե սերը որն է
Was a nice middle class nigga, but no one knew the evil he do when he got a little bigger. Good off the final blaze, while puffing on a Newport, plotting on another way to catch a case. Was only 16, yeah, convicted as a felon with a bunch of old niggas, but you the only one ain't telling. I tell you it's a cold world, stay in school. You tell me it's a man's world.